This video is going to show how to define differential pairs at the schematic level in OrCAD Capture. Open the provided design in Capture. Select the design file in the Project Manager. Select Tools, Create Differential Pair from the menu. The Create Differential Pair window opens. Select Net HDMI aux 0N from the list and click the right arrow. Select Net HDMI aux 0P and click the arrow. The nets are added to the selection list. Enter DP HDMI aux 0 into the diff pair name field. Click Create. The differential pair is created. Hold Shift and select the nets. Click the left arrow to remove them from the list. Hold Shift and select nets HDMI aux 1N and HDMI aux 1P. Click the arrow to add the nets to the selection list. Enter DP HDMI aux 1 into the diff pair name field and click Create. Hold Shift and select the nets and click the left arrow. Select nets HDMI aux 2P and HDMI aux 2N. Click the arrow. Enter DP HDMI aux 2 into the diff pair name field and click Create. Hold Shift and select the nets and click the left arrow. Select nets HDMI aux 3P and HDMI aux 3N. Click the arrow. Enter DP HDMI aux 3 into the diff pair name field and click Create. Hold Shift and select the nets and click the left arrow. The HDMI aux nets have been defined. To define differential pairs automatically, select the Auto Setup button. The Differential Pair Automatic Setup window opens. Enter DP underscore into the prefix field, P into the positive filter field, and N into the negative filter field. Click the empty table. The table is automatically populated with the differential pairs for HDMI in and HDMI out. Click Create to define the differential pairs. Click Close to close the automatic setup window and close the Create Differential Pair window. To verify the differential pair assignments, right-click the design file in the Project Manager and select Edit Object Properties. The Property Editor window opens. Select the Schematic Nets tab. If the nets are arranged by column, select Pivot to transpose the table. All HDMI nets have been assigned to the appropriate differential pair. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.